Hey everybody, more Rob Moffitt. Today we're going to talk about our new water distiller. I used Brita water filters for years with the cartridges, but I opened up my cartridges the other day and they were contaminated. So it made me rethink about using Brita. Also, Brita has the plastic containers and plastic cartridge. I want to get away from plastic. So I purchased this as a cozy water distiller. It holds about 4 liters or 1.1 gallons. It's kind of heavy. It's about 14 pounds. It'll distill about a quart or 1 liter per hour. To jump start it, I put in hot water. The interior is all stainless steel. It comes with a little container of chemicals you can use to remove the scale that gets down at the bottom. This is the collection tank. It's also glass, comes with a stainless steel top. I'm going to transfer it and remove my bottle, a glass of tea I'm making. It's not that noisy. When you start it, you turn on the switch here, and then you hit reset, the reset button, and you reset it to the beginning so it knows. I don't know what the reset button is for, because it has a cutoff switch when it gets to a certain temperature, so it won't burn up on you. But I used it one time to get out any gunk, and then the second time I used it, the water tasted fine. I checked into how much my electricity cost. This is 750 watts. In Florida, it works out to about 45 cents per gallon of electricity to manufacture 1 gallon, so 45 cents. I think distilled water at Walmart is what, I think $1.67. So you have some savings over time. Some people have reported they have used these for a long time. Other people said theirs crapped out in 8 months, so you never know. It was over $100. I think it was $110. I'll leave a link to it in the video description. I like using glass instead of plastic. Although I grew up drinking water from the water hose in the summertime, so I think my insides are probably plastic. In Florida, yeah. Drinking water from the hose in Florida in the summertime when you're a little kid, yeah. That's Florida for you. It was a long time ago. Well, all right, guys. If you're thinking about a water distiller, this is pretty foolproof. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Okay. All right, I'll let you guys go. I'll do a video on the Brita filters showing the contamination that's on the cartridges that are brand new from the box. I think somebody must have dropped the ball. Brita is a good company. I've used them for years, but I'm not using those cartridges, and I'm not switching. I'm just going to a distiller. It gets rid of almost everything. There are some volatile compounds that when it evaporated, it can go back into the water. But basically it removes everything, which is, some people say it's a negative because it's harmful to drink distilled water. Other people said it's not harmful at all, so you do your own research. But yeah, that's what's going on this morning. Take care. See you out there.